Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 反 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write 反 反 contrary, to return, instead. For example, 反面 reverse side, back side. Now check this sentence. The opposite of love is indifference. The opposite of love is indifference. 爱的反面是冷漠。反面是冷漠。Love 的反面 the opposite of love 爱的反面是 is indifference 冷漠。The opposite of love is indifference. 爱的反面是冷漠。反 incursive. 反 contrary, to return, instead. 反面 reverse side, back side. The opposite of love is indifference. 爱的反面是冷漠。反 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 反. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.